At the big company where it's located in the heart of Bangkok, this is the department of marketing of famous brands in Thailand. Now, we are moving to the cause of conflicts in organization. Next quarter, the company is going to launch a new product to compete another company by creating new marketing strategies. Then the managers will inform the assigned tasks through line that each team had to design new marketing strategies and have meeting immediately. The manager said, "Our company will launch a new product to compete with another company. It is responsible of marketing department, and I will assign tasks to both of you to create new idea of this planning. So I will select the best planning for the next quarter." The war has begun. Start with the share ideas. Offline marketing leader motivates offline marketing team to pay attention on assigned tasks, so there are confidence in marketing theories as well as statistical research. Offline team discuss about the best method using in the plan. Everyone in team can share the idea. However, there are some little intergroup conflict during the process discussion. Finally, the leader thought that all of marketing methods can use for the offline marketing plan to communicate with customers. Moving to the online marketing team, they think this is marketing plan is so easy because of all online marketing members are familiar with the kind of promoting the products via online application. It can gather group of newly target customers. Online team discuss about the promo channels such as Facebook, Instagram, or influencer, but the leader of online marketing can choose only one channel for the marketing task, so there are some intergroup conflict inside the team because team members have an argument. However, everything could be fine. On the presentation day, both teams illustrate each strategy to the managers, start from online marketing team and then offline marketing team. In the manager's mind, she liked both ideas, so she decided to let both teams to present other ideas in order to support her decision. However, each team disagrees with another as known as intergroup conflict. The conflict between offline and online team is bigger and louder. Everyone wants to share the idea which is better than the opposite team. The manager decided to stop and postpone the meeting away. The meeting is ended, and after that, managers contact the negotiator to solve this problem. The managers ask some help from administrative department and make appointment to have meeting. The manager introduced members of administrative department who will be negotiator because both teams did their good ideas. The solutions will be combined with both ideas. The representative of each team presents their idea to board of directors and other departments. This is because both teams work together and share ideas. Also, discussions as teamwork. Finally, the sale of new product increased rapidly because of the strong marketing strategy from online and offline side. The conflicts and problems inside team or organization can be reduced by using teamwork and tools to connect the different ideas. Strong teamwork will build a strong relationships in organization and also achieve the business goal as well as increase efficiencies approach.
ซ้ำเดินเข้ามาเลยโอเคดูซูมเข้ามือพี่วาไม่ต้องให้เห็นหน้าพี่น้องมากซูมเข้ามือพี่วา
อันนี้คืออัดจริงเหรอ
มาแล้วมาแล้วดูนะซูมเข้ามือพี่วาเลยซูมเข้าซูมเลยไม่เข้ามันไม่เข้า
ก็คือแบบเนี้ยค่ะมันทำให้แบบว่าเพิ่มการนู่นนั่นนี่ได้เยอะกว่าอะไรอย่างนี้มันก็แบบหวาน
ยกมือ
อย่างนี้มาแล้วเนี่ยค่ะอย่างไม่แต่เขารู้สึกว่านี่
อุ้ยก็กดไปยังอ่ะ
อย่างนี้แหละ
นับทำไม
มีหมดว่าเป็นปกติคนแล้วก็คนทำกันร้อยก่อนอันนี้ทีมมาร์เก็ตติ้งออนไลน์แล้วก็อันนี้ทีมมาร์เก็ตติ้งออฟไลน์นะคะตัวนี้มันกำลังใจบรรยากาศจะดีมากนะคะก็จะเสร็จเพลงนี้